there's been excitement about whether or not there could be potentially a vaccine for prostate cancer, looking obviously at the immune system with prostate cancer again. This was a study from the NCI that's been going on for several years, presented by James Gulley. Unfortunately, this was a negative trial. People had really hoped that we were going to see some level of benefit and that we're going to see some efficacy from vaccines. So not practice changing at all. But I think there's something very interesting to learn here from this data that James Gulley presented. He showed us why they did a phase 3 trial for this. And this was based on the phase 2 data. And here was the phase 2 data. You can see a nice separation of curves. You can see median survival benefit of about 8.5 months there. And so that seemed to be a good justification for doing a phase 3 study. But as we know, sometimes phase 2 studies can show good survival benefit, good benefit for patients, but the phase 3, the robust evidence, doesn't show that. Why is this important? Because I think there's a trend today trying to say, oh, we can approve drugs earlier, we'll just do a phase 1, maybe just do a phase 2, we don't need to do a phase 3 study, we'll be able to use it. And I think that's a flawed idea. I think we're learning. This is a perfect example of why we still need to do phase 3 studies, use good large numbers of patients to really try to tease out whether or not there is a benefit for patients in using these additional agents that have physical toxicity and financial toxicity.